In these mountains, freedom was not a dream, it was a science. For 85 years, the Maroons of Jamaica fought an empire that ruled half the world. And for 50 of those years, one woman stood between her people and destruction. To the British, she was a sorceress. To her people, she was a general, a priestess, a mother of nations. Her name was Queen Nanny, the woman who proved that when the Most High walks with you, no empire can stand against you. Nanny was born free in the Blue Mountains. Her father, Prince Nakwan, a Fanti royal, had been betrayed and sold into slavery. But royalty does not disappear in chains. Nakwan led a revolt, escaped, and rebuilt a kingdom in the mountains. The Maroons were more than runaways. They were Marano, descendants of ancient Israelites. Nanny was a Kohina, a Hebrew priestess devoted to Yankapong, the supreme creator. Her abeng was their shofar. Nanny's brothers saw her gift early. She heard the voice of the Most High. She saw danger before it arrived. Before she turned 18, they crowned her queen. They placed sacred objects, jagas, in her hands and trained her in every art of war. Nanny's genius was not brute force. It was high science, psychology, spirituality, and strategy. She invented advanced camouflage. Her warriors became the forest. She built an intelligence network through enslaved relatives. Her miracles became legend. Nanny did not wait for freedom. She went and took it. She liberated entire plantations, Bath, Port Antonio, Mumbiz, Orgil. She freed hundreds, including her future husband, Sufamento. Her raids shattered the British economy and forced slave owners to flee. The British threw everything at her: foreign trackers, elite troops, mercenaries. But the mountains belonged to Nanny. In 2 years, they killed only 10 Maroons while losing hundreds of their own. In 1739, peace was sealed, not by ink, but by blood. Nanny lived to see her children grow in freedom. When she passed, every Maroon town held a funeral to prevent division. Her true resting place remains a mystery, perhaps by design. For legends do not rest. They rise, they return. They live in every person who refuses to bow. Today, Queen Nanny sits on the $500 bill, a reminder that freedom is carved by those who believe in something higher. Remember her name, carry her fire. One love.